Hi, M5574. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, mom and sir. My name is W.J. Reyes. I'm 30 years old. I'm single. I'm single.
Your,
reli-
your religion
my religion is Roman Catholic.
and your highest educational
My
attainment.
education background is high school.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Kuwait, tell me about your experience as a helper in Kuwait.
I'm taking care. I'm taking care of the children. Five, chi- five children.
Okay,
Uh,
5 children, you're taking care of 5 children, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, how old the children you take care?
The first is 12 years old and twins, 8 years old, and then 6 years old.
Okay, and also 1 year old girl.
Yes.
Okay, and other household chores that you do?
My main duty is cooking, taking care of children, clean the house, and then
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience taking care of a 1 year old baby girl, if you
yes.
have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for this 1 year old?
First, I will wash my hand and sanitize my hands, and then prepare the bottle and put the milk, and then check the water if lukewarm, and then put the water in the bottle.
Okay, then?
And then shake the bottle and check the temperature. If they okay, I will give it to baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I will check the temperature if they have a fever, and then check the diaper if they cool, and if the baby is hungry.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the diaper, also the temperature, and also maybe the baby is hungry, everything that you have done to the baby to make her stop to cry doesn't work, what will you do?
First, I will call my employee. I will ask if I will tell my employee the baby is not
Stop
crying.
crying. Okay. Do we call that? Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
First, I want to support my family needs, and I heard the salary is good, and it is the safest
Country to work with.
country to work.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
If my contract is finished and my employee wants me to stay, I will stay.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were relatives or they were fixing something inside the house? What will you do?
I will call the attention of my employee. And I will ask if they know the visitor.
And if they don't know the visitor outside, what will you do?
They don't know the visitor. I will not entertain them.
So you will not entertain them because it's too dangerous, right? Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
I don't have idea, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn?
By watching YouTube and check the recipe book, or if my employee wants to teach me, I will willing to learn.
Okay, we're willing to learn to that. Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provides?
Yes, I will.
Okay. How about sharing room with kids? Is this okay with you?
Yes, I will.
Okay. It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to taking care of pets?
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
Yes, sir. I'm willing, sir.
Okay, it is okay to you to cut your hair in the short if you're because it is too long, right?
Yes, sir. I'm willing.
Okay. Last question. What will be your message for your future
To
employer?
my future employee, please do hire me because I'm a trustworthy. I'm a virgin. I will follow the rules and regulation of the house. That's all.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Lovely. Thank you.